As the user of a Macintosh, you now have a new kind of workspace, your electronic desktop. The gray area you see on your screen is your desktop. This desktop, like any other, has some useful and familiar objects on it. These objects have names, but more importantly, they also have pictures above their names. These pictures, called icons, make your electronic desktop very easy to work with. This is the icon for the disk you put in your disk drive. This is a trash can where you'll throw away what you don't need. And this is for copying from one disk to another. Your electronic desktop makes possible some things that you couldn't do otherwise. Some of what you can do is in menus at the top of your screen. The words you see at the top in the menu bar are titles of menus. To look at one of the menus, you point to its title, press the mouse button, and hold it. The commands appear instantaneously, almost as if you pull down a window shade. This is why they are called pull-down menus. They stay hidden until you need them, and they go away when you're done with them. For almost everything you do on your new desk, you go through two steps. First, you select the object that you want to do something with by clicking on it. You know that it's selected because it's highlighted. Next, you go to a menu you need, hold down the mouse button, and choose a command to act on the selected object. To choose a command, you point to the title of the menu, press and hold the mouse button, and drag to the command you need. Notice how the commands highlight as you point to them. By letting go of the mouse button when a command is highlighted, you choose that command to act on your selection. Some of the commands are dimmed. Those are the ones that aren't appropriate at the moment. After looking at a menu, if you decide not to use any of the commands in it, drag off the menu and let go of the mouse button. The object we've selected is the disk. Let's drag to open. Your Macintosh opens a window showing you the contents of that disk. We'll look at the contents shortly. Let's first reverse the previous action. Go to the File menu and choose Close this time to close the window. The open and close commands are central to the way you'll work with your Macintosh. To start using an application program, you'll select it and open it. To stop working on a document you've created with any of the applications, you'll save it and close it. Let's now look at the contents of that disk. What's on the disk is again represented with icons. The hand in action represents an application. The sheet of paper stands for documents you've created. The empty folder provides you with folders to put your documents in. And the programs your Macintosh uses to do its work are represented with miniature Macintoshes. Select one by clicking. Now point to the selected object, press the mouse button, and drag it somewhere else in the window. Select another one and move that one too. You can organize what you have on your disk in a way that's most comfortable to you. If you click a second time on an object right after selecting it, you'll open it. This is a shortcut for opening. Don't try to use the shortcut yet.